Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use the Apple CarPlay in your 2017 Maserati Ghibli. So in order to access this feature, you must first have a Apple charger, and once we get the Apple charger, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the center console right here next to the gear shifter. Just open it up like this. It's going to come down, and then what you're going to do is just plug in your USB port, and once you get to your USB port, just plug it into your phone, give it a couple seconds to register, and it's going to open up Apple CarPlay for you. And just like that, you open up Apple CarPlay, you have access to your apps and stuff. And if you would like to go back to the Maserati infotainment system, you're just going to click on the Maserati logo, and you're back on the system again. Just like that. If you would like to come back to Apple CarPlay, just click on the Maserati badge right here and click on Apple CarPlay on the top right here, and just like that, you're back in Apple CarPlay again. And yeah, that'll be it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.